These 5A tools are transforming how students learn, write, and create. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones to start using today. ChatGPT is your personal tutor available 24/7. Use it to brainstorm essay ideas, explain complex concepts, and refine your writing. Pro tip, ask follow-up questions to deepen understanding. It's free to start, making it perfect for any budget. Just remember, use it as a learning tool, not a shortcut. Notion A transforms messy notes into organized summaries instantly. Create study guides, manage projects, and organize research in one place. The A automatically summarizes lecture notes and generates study questions. This saves hours every week and keeps everything accessible from any device. The guide you use every week in Grammarly catches grammar mistakes while suggesting tone improvements, perfect for essays, emails, and assignments. The free version handles basics, premium adds advanced features. It works across browsers and apps, making every written assignment polished and professional grade. Needs stunning visuals for presentations. Adobe Firefly generates images from text descriptions, while Canva's A templates speed up design. Both require zero design experience. Create professional posters, infographics, and slides in minutes, perfect for group projects and impressive submissions. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first.